If you want to know how to CapCut link a project and share it quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to create a CapCut link, copy it, and share it with anyone you want. This is a really useful method if you want to send a project to a teammate, a client, or a friend without exporting everything manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides just like this. Let's jump into it. First, open your CapCut project. Make sure you're inside the exact project you want to share, because the link will be created for that current project. Once your project is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share option there, and that's where the process begins. Click on Share, and CapCut will open the sharing options for your project. From the menu that appears, click Create Link. This tells CapCut to generate a shareable link for your project. Give it a moment to finish creating the link, especially if your project has a lot of content or media inside it. After the link is created, you'll see the option to copy the link. Click Copy Link so it's saved to your clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere you need, whether that's in a message, email, or team chat. At this point, you can simply share the link with the person you want to access the project. They can open it and view or work with the project depending on the permissions and settings available in your CapCut account. And that's really all there is to it. Open your project, click Share from the top right, choose Create Link, then click Copy Link and share it. It's fast, simple, and a great way to collaborate without extra steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.